Yes, hello everyone. So now, uh, what I feel that after the long intervals, I think 1 week or so, I am here to teach you again the next part of mathematics. I think all of you, along with your family members, are quite well and happy. By the way, one thing I am telling you that all of you most probably are enjoying these new techniques of teaching procedures. It should be, because these particular things will be a continuous process, I think so, in near futures also. By the way, so let us come to the point. Today I am going to teach you, as I told you the last class, that today we are going to start, we're supposed to start the commercial mathematics. But one thing it has been noticed by you people, and many has told me that one exercise I skipped from square root lessons, and that exercise is 3F. Obviously, this 3F lessons, if it is been skipped by me, it will going to be a big loss for you people. Not only the exams point of view, but as well as from knowledge point of view also. It is a very important lessons for your futures. That one is finding the square roots of decimal systems. Here two type of numbers we are going to consider. One is a rational number and other one it is irrational number. Rational number means the terminated decimals numbers are known as the rational number. Or you can say, and obviously yes, terminated decimals is known as the rational number, and obviously terminated and repeated decimals are known as the rational number. But irrational number also is there, whose square roots we'll have to find. As for example, root 3, root 4, root 3, root 5, root 7, etc., root 11, etc., etc. This type of numbers are known as non-terminated and non-repeated. Right? So this type of numbers, how to find the square roots, that one I am going to discuss here, one by one. Okay? So sincerely, just go through these particular videos and try to accumulate. Right? So let us start from exercise 3F. First of all, the first questions which I am going to consider is exercise 3F. Exercise 3F. The question number 2. Here it is, they are asking you to find the square root of 33.64. Here this number is a number, what I feel, it will going to give you a terminated decimals. That is, after few places, it will stop the divisions. Remainders will come 0 here. In some of the questions, remainders will not come 0. That one I will take afterwards. First of all, these questions, 33.64. Look here. 33.64. How will you find the square root of this particular number? So, I am going to write here 33.64. And the long division method, as I have told you, that you will have to draw 2 lines here. And then you will have to make the pairs. What way? What way I have told you last day during the long divisions method, that you will have to pairing the numbers. That is, here two type of numbers are there. One is known as the integer part, another is known as the decimal parts. Integers part pairing you will have to do from right to left. And in decimals part, this is new things for you people, I think so. you have to pair the numbers from left to right. And you find, you have seen already in the earlier questions that in the integer part, if any unpaired number is there, then we'll have to keep that one as it is. You should not think much about the unpaired number. But suppose if one unpaired, say suppose I am going to pairing the numbers from left to right, right to left this way, and left to right this way. Suppose if any unpaired number, say suppose 2 if it is there along with this, then this is unpaired, then you will have to make it pair. How are you going to make it pair? You have to put a 0 here. Because after the decimals, if you are going to put the zeros, then it will not affect the main numbers. That's why you can put as many number of zeros as you want. By the way, that particular things is not here, so I am going to eliminate this number. Original questions I am going to consider here now only. So what way you will have to proceed? First of all, this 33, pairwise you will have to divide. As I have told you earlier, the first pairwise, that is 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36. 36 is more than this 33. Then in that case, what you will have to do? You have to take 5 5s are 25. So write here 5 and write here 5, and this is 5 5s are 25. Now subtract 8. This is 0. Now this decimals, what we are going to do, this decimals? These decimals you will have to shift to this particular place. These decimals will come here. Yes, like this I am explaining this one by sketching arrows, but it is not required, okay? Sketching these particular arrows. So this decimals has shifted here. Now what is the next pair? 64. This 64s you will have to shift here only. Right? Now what you will have to do? The same procedures as it has been explained. This 5 you will have to add with this 5 mentally. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay? Now take the divisions. Yes, this 10 you will have to write after leaving some space here. This space is known as the reserved place. For this reserved place, you will have to omit this 4. Now divide this 86 by 10. 10 8s are 80. So take the test with 8. How are you going to take the test? 10, 8, 8. 8 8s are 64 and 8 8s are 8 1s are 8. So exactly the value is coming. So it will supposed to stop here only, I think so. Yes, it is something like that. Nothing been left. So you can say the square root of 33.64 is equal to 5.8, and that will be your answer. If you are going to multiply this 5.8 with 5.8, exactly this 33.64 definitely will come. You may take the calculations by yourself. You have the calculators in your mobile phone, so do the calculations. Okay, and make sure that if it is the answer or not. I am quite sure because I have checked this answer from your answer sheet of a book. So this is one of the question. I think it is clear. Now let us go for the next one. Next question is, again same type of one more questions I am going to consider here. The next question is, the next questions it will be question number 6 from your book. We have to find the square root of 10.0489. It is question number 6 from your book. Let us see what type of things will come here. 10.0489. How will you find? I am going to rub these portions because space will require. So let us start. First of all, write here that number 10.0489. Draw a line here, draw a line here. As I have told you that integer part make the pair from right to left and the decimal part from left to right. One pair, two pair. Okay. Now divide this 10 pairwise. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, which is more than 10. So what the numbers will be here? 3. You are going to permit to come here 3. So write here 3. Similarly write here 3 and 3 3s are 9. Now take the subtractions. This line you will have to draw from here to here. 10 minus 9 is 1. Now what I have told you, these decimals will come here. Isn't it? Now this 04 will come here. Okay? Now this 3, it is required to add with this 3. How much? 6 will be there. So write here 6. You have to leave some space here. Now again, as I told you that for this result place, leave this 4. What is left here? 10. Divide this 6, this 10. 10 by 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, which is more than 10. So 2 will not be allowed here. It is allowed only 1. So write here 1. No need to take any test in the rough column because 61 into 1, if you multiply, 61 1s are 61, which is less than 104. So write here 61. Okay. Now take the subtractions. 4 minus 1 is 3. 6, 10, 4, 43. Now this 89, next pair will come here. This number 1, it is now required to add here 62. 61 plus 1 is 62. Okay. Now for this result place, leave this 19. Yes, 62 stables. It is difficult to learn. So in that case, leave this 2 along with this 8. So I am going to leave here 2. I am going to leave here 89. Now divide this 43 by 6. 6 7s are 42. 6 7s are 42. So take the test with 7. That is 6 to 7 by 7. 6 to 7. It is required to multiply by 7. How much will come? 7 7s are 49, carries 4. Carries 4. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. Carries 1. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 1 is 43. Exactly 4389 is coming. So write here 7. Write here 7. So it is also coming 4389. So no more remainder is coming. So I am finding that the square root of 10.040489 is 3.17. This is also one examples of terminated decimals. Right? So if we are going to multiply 3.17 and 3.17, exactly 10.0489 will come. Okay. Now I am going to consider one question which will going to give us non-terminated decimals. Say as for example, one question is here, that one is from your book only. You may consider this type of many questions. I will give you a list of questions and you will have to take the practice on that particular questions and you will have to verify that one with any calculators. And obviously for this particular calculations, normal calculators will not help you. For that you have to take the help of scientific calculators. Okay, say as for example, question number 9 I am going to consider, that one is root 3. This root 3 is known as the irrational number because it will going to give us non-terminated, non-repeated. Okay, so let us start. And yes, obviously in your book it has been given that find the value of square root of 3 up to 2 place of decimals. Up to 2 place of decimals. Okay, so after the point only 2 integers should be there. How will you find? In that case, look here. A very interesting thing it is. Listen very carefully because a very important group of questions now I am discussing. So what we'll have to do, write here 3. Point. Now 2 place of decimals. For that you will have to put one pair of 0. This one pair of 0 will going to give you up to 1 place of decimals. This is second pair of 0. This is up to 2 place of decimals. For 2 place of decimals, for finding the value of square root of 3 or this type of numbers up to 2 place of decimals, you have to go for 3 pair of zeros. That is, you will have to find the value up to 3 place of decimals. Why? I will explain that things after completing these particular solutions. For 2 place, you will have to go up to 3 place. Okay, so let us proceed almost the same procedures. So first of all, draw a line here, draw a line here. So 2 2s are 4 is more, so it will be 1, 1s are 1. 3 minus 1 is how much? 2. This decimals will shift here. Okay, now this pair of 0 will come here. Right? Now this one, it is required to add with this one. It will come as 2. Okay, now for this reserved place, omit this 0. 20 is left. Divide this 20 by 2. 10. Don't take 10, but 9. So, take a test, multiply 29 with 9. So, in that case, 29 into 9 will be how much? 29 into 9. Let us see how much will come. 9 9s are 81, carries 8, 9 2s are 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 261 has come, which is more than 200. So, it will not allow. So, in that case, go for, in spite of 9, now go for 8. So, I am going to consider now, here it is 8. So, this is now 8. Let us see what will happen. 8 8 is 64, carries 6, 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 6, 22, which is again more than 200. So, this 8 also been failed. Now, take the test with 7. With 7, that is 27 into 7. 7 7s are 49, carries 4. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 4 is 18. $189, which is less than 200, so it will allow here. 7 will allow here. 7, 7, and this is 189. Okay, now take the subtractions. 9 1 10 carries 1, 9 1 10 carries 1, cancel. Now next pairs of 0 will come here. Is it clear? Listen very carefully, the steps particularly. Now this 7, what will you have to do? You have to add this 27 by 7. It will be how much? 34. 34. Extend this line. Again, one reserved place is there. For this reserved place, omit this 0. We are not knowing the table of 34. In that case, omit this 4. You have to omit this 0. Now, how much it is left here? 11. So, divide this 11 by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 12 is more. So 3 3s are 9. Take the test with 9. That is 34 already is there. And we are going to take the test with how much? 3 3s are 9. 3. So 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. Carries 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is 10. 1029. Yes, it is 1029. It is 1100. It is less. So it will allow here. So write here 3. Write here 3. And this is 1029. Now take the subtractions. 9 1 10 carries 1 3 7. 71 is coming. Well, now the last pair, this 0 0 will come now. This 3 is required to add with that. Yes, you can say, sir, up to 2 place we have moved. But no, I have told you that you will have to go up to 3 place here. For 2 place, go for up to 3 place. If they are asking you go for up to 3 place, then you have to go up to 4th place. You will find the reason. Now only, just wait for few minutes. Now this 3 it is required to add with it. It is 346. Now take the divisions. For this reserved place, omit this 0. For this 6, omit this 0. For this 4, omit this 1. Now divide this 7 by 3. 3 2s are 6. So it will be 346. 3 2s are 6. Take the test with 2. So how much will come? 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12, carries 1, 4 2s are 8, plus 1 is 9, 3 2, 6924. It is 7100. This one number is less than this number. So this number has been allowed here. I think so, no? So write here 2, write here 2, and this is 6924. Because one thing I am finding here, it is not coming 0. It will never come 0. This remainders will never come 0. Because this is an irrational number. Now take the subtraction 6. Obviously, if you are not going to take the subtraction, because afterwards no numbers are there to carry out. So if we are going to take the subtractions or not going to take the subtractions, or if you are going to do any mistakes in the subtractions, it will not hamper the solutions. By the way, let us do the formalities. And this is 176. So our things been over. Now the thing is that what we will have to do. In that case, square root of 3 will be how much, sir? It will be, I am telling you, that you will have to observe this 3rd place. Yes, listen very carefully. This 3rd place, if is 5 or more than 5, if third place number, if it is equal to 5 or more than 5, in that case, this one 3 will have to consider as 4, the next number. But if it is less than 5, here it is 2, here it is 2. In that case, what you will have to do? You have to take this as it is. So it will be 1.73. I repeat once again, if the 3rd place is 5 or more than 5, then these numbers you will have to consider the next number. 3 become 4, something like that. But if it is less than 5, in that case, this one will be as it is only. I think it is clear. One such type of things I am going to consider here. So this is actually the finding the square root of 3. Now next questions I am going to consider here. That one is, here you will find the places problem. Places problem means if they are asking you to go up to 2 place, why you are going to 3 place, and if it is 3 place, you will have to go up to 4th place. Why it is so, that things it has been explained here properly. Now the next questions which I am going to consider here is question number 11. Question number 11. They are asking you to find the square root of 0.9. No integer part is there. No problem. No problem. How will you find? Yes, here also they are asking you go up to 2 place of decimals. How will you find? Look here. So write here 0.9. Now you have to go to up to 3 place of decimals, 2 place of decimals. So take the divisions up to 3 place. For that, first of all, 1 pair after the decimals, then second pair after the decimals, then third pair. Because they are asking you up to 2 place. So I am going to take the divisions up to 3 places. Okay. So what we have to do? Put a line here, put a line here. This 0 point, nothing is there, so that one will come as it is without any test. Now consider this one as simple 90, the first pair. In the division case, it is the first pair. Now pairwise divisions. 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81, and obviously 10 10s are 100. So 9 9s are 81. So write here 9, write here 9, and this is 81. Now take the subtractions. How much will come? It will be 9, nothing is left. Now next pair of zeros will come here. Is it clear? Next pair of zeros will come here. This 9, it is now required to add with that 9. So 9 plus 9 is 18. Now for this particular number, result place, omit this 0. Now divide this 90 by 18. Take the test with 6. 1, 8, 6, 6. 6 6 are 36, carries 3. 6 6 are 42, 42 plus 3, 45, carries 4. 6 1 are 6 plus 4 is 10. I think it is much more than 900. So it will not allow here. So next below number is 5. Take the test with 5. So 5 5s are 25, carries 2. 5 8s are 40 plus 2 is 42, carries 4. 5 1s are 5 plus 4 is 9, 925. 925. So this is also not been allowed with 5. So in that case, go for the next number, next below number, that is 1 8, 1 8, 4 and 4. 4 4 are 16, carries 1. 7, 736 it is coming here. Yes, 736. Right here 4, right here 4, and this is 736. Now take the subtractions. Should have the patience. Should have the patience. And the beginning some hesitations will come, but don't be afraid from that particular things. Okay? So take the subtractions. हिम्मत चाहिए सब क्वेश्चन बनाने के लिए. Okay? Anyway, in the beginning only, but afterwards fluency will come. Automatically fluency will come. In the higher classes, you will find that this one will come. This particular things will come for solving a questions in between. So that time, if you will not able to find the things in fluent way, then you should not proceed or you should not complete the main questions. This is the part of the question. Anyway, now take the subtraction. 6 4 10 carries 1, 4 6 7 8 9 164. Now next pairs of 0 will come here. This 4 supposed to add with it, that is 188. Again for this result place, omit this 0. For this 8, omit this 0. How much it is left? 164. It is 18. So take the test with higher numbers. Say suppose it is 8. 1, 8, 8, 8, 8. 8 8 is 64, carries 6. Just a minute, I am doing some mistakes here. It is coming 15104. So write here 8, write here 8, and it is coming 15104. As I have told you that no pairs of numbers are there, so this particular place is unused there. Anyway, take the subtractions, fulfill the formalities. 1296. By the way, whatever is the number here, remainder, that is not our issue. So I am finding that the square root of 0.9 is nothing but 0.948. Here you are finding that this third place is 8. Which is more than 5. This particular number is more than 8. More than 5, sorry, more than 5. So if it is more than 5, I have told you that this number you have to consider as one more, that is 5. So square root of 0.9 is equal to 0.95. 0.95. So what I am going to ask you that take the test like this, that 0.95, how much it is coming. This time you will find it will not come exactly 0.9. This is approximate value. It is near about 0.9 will come. So this way you will have to do this non-terminated decimals. Now I am going to give you certain homeworks, and obviously first of all you will have to do all the questions from this exercise first of all, and then afterwards few questions I am going to write here and do the practice and just verify the answers from your calculators. Say as for examples, your homeworks will be something like this. Number 1, find the square root of root 2, which is given in your examples, root 5, root 11, obviously root 11, something like this type of questions. Okay, consider this type of many questions by yourself, by claiming the things by yourself. So this way you will have to do. Now, one more thing, suppose you will find any difficulties here, you may put that out in my WhatsApp number. Immediately I shall try to resolve it. Or in the websites, schools websites, means that particular app. Okay, for the time being it is more than sufficient, and next class most probably we shall start the commercial mathematics. Fine, okay, all the best.